Hi guys, welcome to Ty's Learning Lab. Guess what? It's Christmas, so we're going to make some ornaments for our Christmas tree. And these activities, you can do them with your toddler. So the first one I'm going to do is a Christmas tree. I've already cut out the shape of the Christmas tree, and we're going to be using these little guys. I got these from Walmart, so we're just gonna put them on our Christmas tree to make a nice little Christmas tree for hanging on or real Christmas tree. So I went ahead and cut the, oh, by the way, this is felt, so this is green felt, and I also got this from Walmart. So I'm just gonna I cut out the image of the Christmas tree. I'm not gonna use this part. I used chalk to mark the lines so that I could, you know, do some accurate cutting. So I'm just gonna flip it around like that. Let me push it out so that you can see it there. And I'm going to use some school glue to just apply the crystals to the Christmas tree. It's a easy and fun activity for the little ones. So you just put it all over the tree. You can start at the top if you want. So I'm just going to start at the top and put this crystal right at the top of it, right there. Push it down so that, you know, it's applied and it's held in tightly. It doesn't fall off. And you can just decorate the sides of the Christmas tree. The sides of the Christmas tree, the middle, wherever you want to put the decorations, the crystals. There you go. I'm using the bigger ones. Put the glue on and just stick it on there. That's looking really good. Get the glue and just stick it on the sides of it. This is where we are. I'm going to use this. Put the glue on. And stick it on. There. It's looking good. Little ones would definitely love doing this kind of activity. They like gluing stuff and sticking stuff, you know. So you just put as many as you want on the tree, and basically that's it. That's it for the first one. So I'm using, you can also, there's some smaller crystals that you can use to just fill in the spaces. Let me find one. Here's a little green. Let's not use that because the tree is already green and I will not be able to see that. So let's find another color. Can we find another color? Oh, look, here's a yellow. It's a yellow heart. So let's put the yellow heart. You can put it anywhere you want. There. And you can fill the entire space. That's looking good. So the entire thing can be filled. And that's the first activity. A simple Christmas tree. When you're done, you can put a little string at the top, and that's it. Done. Okay,